Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this is a Hayter 41 that come in. Now originally had a broken wheel, I had a spare one. Yeah, a brand new one's 40 quid, so it's a cheap fix for him. But they were saying that it was scalping the lawn on this side here when they were using it. And one of the things I found out is the axle bearing in here is worn out. And what's happening is, you can see there, you've got 1/4 inch plate, 13mm, maybe a bit less, yeah, and that is enough for the blade to come down and start cutting into the lawn. So what I'm going to do is put it up on its back end and change both the bearings, so I expect both of them are worn out. Now to get to the bearing here, you can see when I do that how that's worn around, and it shouldn't be anything like that. But to get this panel off here, there's 2 screws there, 2 screws there, 1 screw, 1 screw, 1 screw, 1 screw. I've blown out the holes with an airline to make it easier to get onto these screws. Better get me magnetic screw pick up, because I know what's going to happen. I'll drop that down inside there, and then I have to take all this lot off or rattle it around until hopefully it comes out. Last tape. Last one. Alright, and all you do is gently lift that around and it lifts out. And yeah, that's the sort of muck that you end up underneath there. I'll give that a clean out. And even with a couple of quick bangs, there's a lot less muck in there. But what I shall do now is I shall get the hoover in and suck that lot out. As you can see, this one here is worn out, and that one there is worn out. So I'll replace both of them as procedure. And there's the other one. You can see they're worn around, and these are the new ones. Come on. Gloves off, open the bag up. And these are the replacements. Now, if you're wondering how they go around, the thick edge goes to the outside. So, put that around there like that. And hang on, let's change the height on this, might help. gives me a little bit more space in there. That one goes in there like that. Again, thicker edge on the outside, and then just goes into this slot. Now it's just a case of pushing this back onto there, making sure that they're still located, and you can see now, look, there's hardly any play in there. So I'll start off with putting the screws back in. Setting torque level 1, so it's not too tight, because there's no worth in stripping out plastic screws. Second one, third one. Another one that side. Two more. Three more, sorry. A little bit of play, but not as much. Let's put it back on its the right way up. So there you are, folks. Now the bearings have been replaced at the front end. That side goes down at the same time this side does. So got a little bit of bouncing as normal, but it's a lot better than it was. If that was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. And until the next video, take care and be safe. See you later, bye.